I've always been a dreamer, like always had really big goals and aspirations for my life. And this is what I'm going to do, like all these crazy things. And I thought forever I wanted to be a newscaster is what I really wanted to do. So that's it. My passion, and I identified with it from when I was so young. I was like 9 and I was like, this is what I'm going to do. And my whole life, that was what I was going to do. And people would talk to me and I would tell them. It was like a big part of me. And when I graduated college, I realized I couldn't do that. A really big part of me died. I felt like the dreamer in me died and had no hopes of being resurrected. I was like, I'm 23. I'm going to be driving for Postmates forever. That's going to be my life. I'm never going to do anything. I realized, I was like, I can't believe it. Like, all these years I had such big aspirations for myself and I'm actually going to amount to nothing. I just felt like it was the end of the world. Like all my friends were doing such big, incredible things. Like I live with like the most amazing people and who are just doing huge things. I was like, I do nothing. It wasn't really that I was doing nothing at the time. It was I couldn't see myself ever doing anything. It was just, the dreamer had died and I was like, wow, I don't know what to do. I was really depressed. And I was like, I guess this is just what my life is going to be. YouTube was my last ditch effort to be able to do something, anything at all that I liked doing. And there's not a doubt in my mind that this was destiny and God wanted me to do this. And that's why he closed all those doors, because he wanted me to do this, because there is nothing in the world that I would rather do. I don't know. I'm just kind of still reveling in the fact that it exists at all. Like sometimes I like wake up in the middle of the night and I like check my phone. I'm like, I do still have a YouTube account, right? Like this is real, right? But honestly, there's a lot of things that I really want to do with it, because now having what is really a big platform to be able to talk to people and be heard. It's wild to think about that. So what I really want to do is I don't want to be a YouTube beauty guru. That was never the goal. That's not me. That's not my personality. I'm not really a beauty guru in general. So what I really want to be able to do eventually is kind of blow the lid off of the stigma, I guess, of what being a girl is like, I guess, kind of to give the real deal of how it is to live your life and how to learn to love yourself and be who you are and empower girls to literally live their most fabulous life and not have to worry about what people are going to think of them or how they're going to be perceived or how much it's going to cost or just anything. I want to be able to reach enough people and make a difference. That's the underlying goal. But of course, grand scheme, I don't want to just do this forever, but I want to branch out. I want to have a clothing line. That's something I've always loved is fashion. I would love to do a collab with a makeup company and have my own signature lipstick or something and just do everything really big and eventually bring a giant kind of online store type of thing for affordable luxury is what I really want to do. To be able to talk and be have people hear me and respond and have a genuine interaction with people all across the world. When I was in London recently, visiting my best friend studying abroad, I had tweeted, people were like, can you do a meetup? And I had 90,000 subscribers, I think. And I was like, I can't believe people want to meet me. Anyone wants to meet me. This is crazy. So being in a foreign country that I've never been to, and there was a bunch of girls that took time out of their day to come meet me, but to talk to them, and they were so excited to meet me, and they were so cute and sweet, and they all had so many fun stories to share, and that boggled my mind completely. I was like, I can't believe, because it put a face to all the numbers, I was like, this is only, the 30 girls, but it's every single one of these people subscribed to my channel is someone like this. I was honored to meet them, honestly. It was one of the most surreal days of my life. I literally cried in bed for a long time after that. I was like, I can't believe this. I think the moral of the story is just don't give up, because if you have a dream and something that you want to do, if you really, really want it and you really, really, really believe in it and are willing to work for it, there's nothing you can't do. Nothing.